Hello dear students, welcome back to Biovidyalaya. This is your educator Chithra and I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to solve some genetics problems. This video will be helpful for those who are preparing for CSIR NET, GATE, DBT and other competitive examinations in life science. So without further delay, let's get into today's class. So let's start with the first question. A scientist performs a series of experiments to determine the recombination frequencies between the following genes. He acquires the following data. Recombination frequency between WX 3%, XY 2%, YZ 13% and ZW 8%. Which of the following choices places the genes in the correct order related to one another? So these are the options. So here you have to find the correct order of the genes based on its recombination frequencies. Here recombination frequencies are given. So you have to remember that larger the recombination frequency, then larger will be the distance between two genes. Okay, you have to apply this logic for solving this question. Larger the recombination frequency, then larger will be the distance between two genes. Here you can see that recombination frequency between W and X. W, X, 3. Okay. And X, Z. Sorry, XY, 2%. So you can see that the gene X is closer to W and Y. Okay. Next, YZ. 13%. Y Z 13%. So the gene Y is far apart from gene Z, but it is closer to gene X. Okay. Next, ZW. ZW 8%. Okay. So here you can see that gene Z is closer to W as compared to Y. Okay. So based on this, you have to solve this question. See the options. Here you can see that gene X is closer to W. This is correct. Here gene X is closer to Y also. This is also correct. But the gene Y and Z are more closer here. This is not possible because recombination frequency is 13%. So this is not correct. So option A is not possible. Next option B. Here X is far apart from W. This is not possible. Here you can see that X is far apart from Y also. And here Y and Z are closer. So this option is not correct. Okay. Here you can see that the gene X is closer to W. This is correct. And while this X is far apart from Y. This is not possible. And Y and Z are also closer. This is also not possible. So this option C is not correct. Here you can see that gene X is closer to W and it is also closer to Y. This is correct. And distance between Y and Z are too large. Okay, they are not closer. So this is also correct. So correct answer is option D. So what is the order? Z, W, X, Y. Okay. We can represent the distance as Z to W, then W to X, then X to Y. Okay. So this is the correct order. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. This is a probability question. Consider a plant with the following characteristic: round leaf, it is representing capital R, are dominant to point leaves, representing small r. White flowers representing capital W are dominant to pink flower representing small w. Plants heterozygous for both the traits are crossed. What is the probability of obtaining a plant with pointed leaves and white flowers? So here options are given: 1 by 16, 1 by 4, 5 by 16, 3 by 16. So here they given that round leaves are dominant to pointed leaves. So dominant allele is capital R, that is round. Okay, it is dominant to pointed leaves. So recessive is small r. Okay, next, white flowers are dominant to pink flowers. So capital W, dominant. White flowers. And small w for pink flowers. Okay, round leaves are dominant to pointed leaves. White flowers are dominant to pink flowers. And plants heterozygous for both the traits are crossed. They cross two heterozygous plants. So we can represent the genotype capital R, capital W, small w, cross capital R, capital W, small w. This is parent 1 and this is parent 2. And we have to find what is the probability of obtaining plant with pointed leaves and white flowers. Pointed leaf means that is recessive character. So we can write it as small r. And white flower means that is dominant. So it may be capital W or capital W, small w. So we have to find what is the probability of obtaining these genotypes. This is representing pointed leaves and white flowers. Okay. So what will be the gamete? For P1, capital R, capital W, capital R, small w, small r, capital W, and small r, small w. And for P2 also same gametes we will get. Okay. So we can solve this question by two methods. I will show you that. First one is drawing Punnett square. Okay. So what is the gamete? Capital R, capital W. Then capital R, small w. Then small r, capital W. Then small r, small w. This is P1 gametes. Okay. Next is P2. Capital R, capital W. Then capital R, small w. Then small r, capital W. And small r, small w. Okay. There is no need to fill all the genotype. Just concentrate on this genotype. Small r. Okay. Here small r is there. Here. Okay. Let's see the genotype. So small r, capital W. This is pointed leaves with white flowers. Next, here small r, capital W, small w. This is also pointed leaves with white flowers. Okay. Next, here small r, capital W, small w. Here small r, small w. Okay. Here you can see that this is pointed leaves with white flowers. This is pointed leaves with white flowers. This is also pointed leaves with white flowers. This is not. Okay. This is pointed leaves with pink flowers. Okay. So which are this genotype? 3. 3 out of 16. Okay. Total 16 genotypes we will get. Out of that, 3 are pointed leaves with white flowers. 3 by 16. So the answer is option D, 3 by 16. Okay. But drawing Punnett square is very time consuming. That's why I will not suggest you that method. I will tell you in another method. We already discussed in our epistasis class. See here. You have to remember dihybrid cross ratio, Mendelian dihybrid cross ratio. What is the Mendelian dihybrid cross ratio? 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 along with the general genotype. So I will write here 9, 3, 3, 1. This is the dihybrid cross ratio. And the general genotype capital R dash. Dash may be capital A then dash. This dash may be capital A or small a. Next capital B then dash. This dash may be small b or capital B. Okay. Next capital A, here dash, that may be capital A or small a, then small b. Next small a, then capital B dash. This may be capital B or small b. Okay. Next small a, small b. So this is the general genotype along with the dihybrid cross ratio. You have to remember this. Okay. But here they given capital R for round leaves, small r for pointed leaves, and white for white flowers, capital W, and for pink flowers, small w. So we can write here. I will change the color. Okay. Here we can write the general genotype, capital R dash, then capital W dash, then capital R dash, then small w, then small r, then capital W dash, and small r, small w. Here 9, 3, 3, 1. Okay. And here we have to find the probability of obtaining plant with pointed leaves with white flowers. Okay. So genotypes, we have to find what is the probability of obtaining these genotypes. So we can write it as small r, capital W dash. So see here, small r, capital W dash. What is the probability? 3. 3 out of 16. So answer is 3 by 16. Okay. So you have to remember this general genotype along with the ratio. So you can easily answer such questions in your examination. Okay. This question is based on pedigree analysis. Here pedigree is given. Based on this pedigree diagram, you have to find what is the probability of individual 22 being affected. Okay, this is individual 22. This is very easy question. That's why options are not given. You try to solve this question by yourself and comment your answer in the below comment section. I will tell you how to find the answer. Okay. See, here first you have to find whether it is Y-linked, X-linked or autosomal. After that you have to find whether it is recessive or dominant. Then you can easily answer this question. Okay. Here you have to find what is the probability of individual 22 being affected. Okay. So try to solve this question by yourself. Suppose if you are not able to solve this question, then also let me know through the comment section. I will explain this question in our next video. So here I am winding up this video. If you like this video and find it helpful, then please click the like button, share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel for getting more videos like this. Keep learning. Thank you.